What's up, guys? It's Sha-Deana Z. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. So as you read by that title, you can see that I will be doing a milk bath maternity photo shoot today, and this is going to be like the quickest photo shoot ever because I'm literally 1 week and 3 days away from my due date. I am over 38 weeks, so I can literally go into labor at any time, and my face has changed. I can see that in the camera. Don't like it, but whatever. I need my eyebrows done, especially before labor, and I'm pretty sure I won't have time to get my nails done. But anyway, as you can see, I don't know if you can hear, but I got the bath water running, some warm water, and I got on this black silk robe just for right now. And this is the milk. So I already put 1 gallon in there. I got the other gallon in there. So basically 3 whole gallons in 1/2 gallon. I'm gonna be putting inside of the bathtub and just some flowers from Dollar Tree. So I'll just show you guys that as we go. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you never miss another video. Also, follow me on all social medias. They are linked right down here, and they'll be in the description box as well. And with that being said, let's hop right into this video. Alright guys, so I have so many different color pinks, as you can see. These right here are just some rose petals I picked up from Dollar Tree. These right here I got off of Amazon. They were just like a pack, probably like 50. I got these off of Amazon. This is like, it's tangled right now, but I'll show you, hold on. So I got these two. I'll probably be spreading around the bathtub instead of inside. I don't know, I'll see. Just some white little roses to throw inside as well. So I might go with this, these, the white ones, and which ones? I don't know, are these pink or coral? Should I use these? Let me see. I think I should go with these. What do y'all think? I should go with these. Yeah, this will be like a pop of pink, a darker pop of pink. So I think we're gonna go with that. As soon as the bathtub is done filling up, I'll put the rest of the milk and we'll start putting the flowers. All right, so this is the finished look, nothing fancy. I put a flower in my head and I just got on this dress and it opens up where you can see my stomach. So this is the look right now. All the little pink rose petals are sinking, so I'm gonna have to just fix that when I get in. But also, I'm gonna put these little pink flowers in. They're also sinking, so I'm gonna have to, like, I guess either hold them or something, balance them or something like that. But I told you, nothing too crazy, you know, just simple milk bath. Alright y'all, so this would have been cute, but it was a fail because the milk had evaporated. I should have just waited to make the milk bath instead of making it so soon. But anyways, these would have turned out so cute. Y'all see my belly? I had put the dress on the floor because it was air drying. But yeah, y'all, I look so crazy in the face because I was fat, but I still look cute. And my baby was in my belly. And we also got some pictures on a Polaroid camera, so it was extra cute. But it was embarrassing because, like, the milk had evaporated, so the milk wasn't even over my legs. Like, my legs and knees, all of that was exposed. But look how cute. They, you know, they could have been better. What's up, guys? It's Sha-Deana Z. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. As you read by the title, today I will be doing what's in my hospital bag, baby and mommy edition. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss another video. Also follow me on all social medias. They are linked right down below and also in the description box. And with that being said, let's hop right into this video. Alright you guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you is just an extra bag, and all that's inside of this is a boppy, and I'm going to bring it to the hospital just to help me when learning how to breastfeed. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start with baby girl's bag. Alright, so I love this bag. It has a lot of different features. I'll also insert a picture because the back of this bag actually extends out where you can lay baby down to play and stuff like that. So alright, so first, this bag has room on each side and it comes with this little pouch. Alright, we'll start with the first opening. And disclaimer, I am a first-time mom, so I did my research and I'm bringing what I think is best. And just to let you know, I am an overpacker. So if you see things that is unnecessary, it might be necessary to me, whether it's going to be used or not. I would rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So, all right. So only thing I put was 3 pacifiers. Even though I think the hospital will provide the baby with pacifiers, I still put pacifiers in here anyways, whether they'll be used or not. I just wanted to have them. All right, next pouch. All right, so I know I probably overdid it. Again, I would rather overdo it than not do enough. I got 3 different brands of wipes, and we got Huggies sensitive wipes, we got Honest wipes, and we got water wipes. I didn't pack any bottles because I plan on breastfeeding. However, if that falls through, the hospital does provide bottles. All right, so there's a small zipper right here, and inside it is literally just a wipe holder. Probably not even necessary, but that's just me. All right, next pouch. All right, so we just got some hats. I have these bows, like newborn bows. They're like stocking material. We got a bib, got another bib, like a little bandana type. All right, there's a small zipper right here in this back part. And in here, I literally just put 3 burp cloths in this back pouch right here. All right, so now we're in the main part of the bag. All right, so here we have 2 receiving blankets. This cute little swaddle that says "Bless this baby." We have a safety first kit. It has the little nasal aspirator, nail clipper, and a brush and a comb. And these are mostly just the outfits. So we got some basics. I guess a lot of people have been telling me you can never go wrong with a white onesie, especially long sleeve in the cold when it's cold outside. So 2 white onesies. I literally got 2 of the same outfits, just like gonna switch it up with her socks and bibs. And these right here are just like black joggers. All right, she got this little outfit right here. And then I just got another one and this one. All right, lastly, I have this cute blanket from her grandma, my mom. It's a little sheep. And I didn't know whether to open this or not. I didn't have like a little pouch or anything to put it in. So I just kind of left it in the package. All right, next thing we have some butt paste. Then we have some boogie wipes. Not sure if she'll need those or anything. All right, then we got some Aveeno Baby lotion. I have the Aveeno Baby shampoo and the Aveeno Baby bath. All right, then I have a thermometer, and I literally brought I brought 7 little diapers. Although I know the hospital will provide some, I just wanted to bring a few. All right, then I got just like 3 washcloths. All right, then I have a pair of just regular white socks. And then I got like some little booties. They're so cute, they have little bears on them. Then we have some mittens. So we got 3 pairs of mittens and 3 pairs of socks, 3 washcloths. All right, so that is actually all for baby girl's bag. So hopefully, you know, this is enough just to last us while we're in the hospital. All right, guys, so don't talk about my bag, but this is literally my old like flag corps bag when I was in high school. And it just has like my name at the top. Can't show you. And I was meaning to get me a new one, but when I say I literally thought about me last minute, I was so focused on buying baby girl everything she needed that I was last minute buying everything that I needed. So did you really go buy some donuts? All right, so in the first pouch, so I heard a lot about this brand called Freedom Mom, and I actually had bought the kit from Target, and it came with a lot. But right now I just have 2 of these instant cold therapy absorbent pads. So for postpartum care, basically. These are ice pads, and I have 2 of those. All right, so on this side, I literally have some grandpa hospital slippers, and I have a little stress ball my sister gave me. All right, so in the main part, I have this little bag, and this is just where I'm gonna keep my chargers, just my laptop charger and my phone charger. Then in here, these are some toiletries. I got hand sanitizer, makeup wipes. I got all of my makeup in here. Got my edge control. All right, this is some body scrub. Got some shea butter. If you know, you know. All right, so I got some, I'm not sure what these are, but these are breast pads or just helps with leakage. I'll put the name down once I know what it is. And I just brought some extra maxi pads. I got like 8 of these, even though I'm sure they'll give me some. I got my waist trainer to make sure I snap back. All right, I got some Freedom Mom Perennial Cooling Pad Liners. And I just got like a hospital dress to chill in. I got just some extra panties. I have an extra bra, maternity panties, and I have some 2 maternity bras. This is the Freedom Mom Perennial Healing Foam. Now I definitely wanted to get this. This is like a breastfeeding cover. And this is the Freedom Mom bottle I've heard so much about. All right, and I still have tags on most of this stuff, but these outfits are like for leaving the hospital. So it's like a thin jacket with the hood, and I just got these leggings that are super comfortable to go with it. All right, as far as chilling in the hospital, I got like mostly just some little shorts like these that stretch, and they're super comfortable. So I got these with the white. Then I think I have like 2 different black pair, gray pair, and then just some t-shirts. But now this for sure is definitely a really comfortable, it's like a dress, but it's big. Of course I got it big on purpose, and it's super comfortable, and it's really long. It's tied at the front, you can let it loose. All right, so that's pretty much it for the main part. All right, lastly on this side are all of my toiletries. So, all right, so it's literally toothpaste, toothbrush, my little bath sponge. I have some washcloths, deodorant, lotion, more lotion, got some floss picks, perfume, body wash. I got my face wash, and lastly my face moisturizer. Alright you guys, so that pretty much concludes my what's in the hospital bag baby edition and mommy edition. Hopefully this video helped you guys out and you find it useful or helpful, just for the new moms who are in need of knowing what to possibly put in your hospital bag or what to possibly pack in your baby's hospital bag. And again, I live by it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Again, I am an overpacker, so I know most of this stuff will not be used. I don't know how long I'll be in the hospital, but it's okay because I feel better to have just things I feel like I might need and baby might need versus just not feeling like I have enough. So I would rather just cover myself and be prepared instead of going into the hospital thinking they'll give me this, that, and the third. So again, hopefully you guys found this useful. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss another video. Also follow me on all social medias. They are linked right here and down in the description box below. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.